Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are changing the battery on 2011 BMW 328, and customer says they have some issue in starting in the morning time. So upon diagnosing we find out the battery is bad because it's a 2011 model and they never changed that battery. So it's almost 11 or yeah, it's almost 13 or 14 years old battery still in the car. So they are unable to start their car, so let's do it. So basically the car battery is on that side. You have to rotate it and pull it out. We can lift it, and here you go. Here's the battery. As you can see, it says 19AH 720A or 720 cca, so that's the ampere hour and that's the crank. So to open this up, first of all we need a 8 mm socket, 10 mm socket, and a ratchet, and a 12 mm socket. So let's do it. First of all, you have to remove that negative terminal. That one is 8 mm socket. Let's do it. I'm sorry, these are 10 mm. I told you guys 8 mm. Sorry, that's 10 mm screw over there and one is over there. There you go. That's second 10 mm screw which we have to open it. So let's do it, guys. So this one we already take it out. You don't have to open fully, just loosen it up and it will pop it out. So that one is 13 mm and that one is 10 mm. So let's do that one. So it's pretty loose now. After that we can pull that out. It's easy, you can just press it and pull it, or you can use screwdriver to open this up. Before that we had to open that 13 mm screw, and one is over there, that one, so that you can lift that up from the battery. So there you go. Once you open it up, you can lift it up. There is a pins, you can see these are pins over there. You can put screwdriver here and just pull it up. It will come out. Let me bring screwdriver and let's open it. So that was pretty easy to take it out. You can just lift it up. You can put screwdriver. As you can see, there are some, let me focus it. So yeah, so these are the pins, right? It was like this or like this. So it was like this on the battery. So you can just put screwdriver down there, here, and just it will pop it out, and you can plug that thing from here, and we already loosened it up. So yeah, we can take it out, that one too. And there is a one screw over there. Just give me a second. Yeah, as you can see down there, I think it's a 8 mm. So we have to open this up to lift the battery. So let's do it, guys. So guys, you need some long socket and just put it over there and just Give me a second. Let me put it properly. Yeah, so it's 10 mm. I'm so sorry, I said 8 or 10, I was not sure. So it's 10 mm. So just loosen it up, and after that you can remove your battery. Just pull it out, and let me open it up. So we already removed that 10 mm socket over there. So you have to just lift it up. Maybe you need two hands. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, so just be careful when take it out. And one more thing guys, whenever you are putting new battery in the car, in the BMW or any other German car, just make sure you get the OEM one, because these are not the standard batteries. These are AGM, right? So you can't put regular battery in that. So we already got it a battery from the dealership for $400. So we're gonna put it now. Yep. So it's pretty old, you can see some wear and tear on the battery. And yeah, we got the same battery from the dealership, and yeah, let's put it. Hey guys, so that's our new battery. So to put it, we have to put first all the wires. So this one will go here, and that one go to positive, and we have negative terminal over there. We can put our negative like this, and you can use 8 mm, oh sorry, yeah, 10 mm to tighten it up. Once you put negative, you can put positive here like this, and tighten it up like this. And if your terminal have some corrosion, you can use hot water with baking soda in it, and you can use that water to clean your terminal using a toothbrush or some brush stuff, right? So you can use that stuff to clean your terminal. As you can see, our terminal are good for now. And after that, you can, once you clean the terminal, you can put some petroleum jelly on top of that to make a good layer. Oh sorry, yeah, so you can put some petroleum jelly just to make a layer on that, and so that corrosion doesn't come again. So after putting terminal back, we have to put that one. As you can see, that stuff so long. I just push it down. We have to take it out. Once you put it on top, that plug goes there. Make sure you make all the connections, and there is a red wire here that goes here, right? And you can see our car got a battery power. So let's tighten these 13 mm. So we already tightened this screw, right? It's done right now, and we have to put one bracket over there, down there. My flash is not working due to low battery, so I hope you guys can see there is a hole, right? We have to put that bracket, that's a 10 mm screw to over there, and then after that we have to put that thing. Yeah, so that thing that over there, and then we are good to go. So after putting everything back, you can use that cover to cover your battery. There is a lock, you can just lock it up. See, nice and tight, it's good. So that's how you can change your battery. And now let's start it. See, it's good now. Now the main thing is that now you have to take your car to the car mechanic. They're gonna charge you like 20-30 bucks to program your battery, just to let your ECU know that, oh, you changed the battery, you put a new battery, and ECU will charge your battery according to the new one, not the old one. If you don't do that, your battery will be overcharged and will be damaged in few years. So, and you can see there is a light come on that says 4x4 or traction. So to remove this, you have to turn your steering all the way to the left and then again all the way to the right, and see, all the light goes off. So that's how guys you can do. Now you have to change everything. You have to do setting. There is a clock setting you have to do, right? You can do it by your own, and make sure you take your car to the car mechanic. They put scanner and they let the ECU know that you put a new battery, and ECU will charge according to the new battery. So I hope that helps guys. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel and video. Thank you guys.